And can you pick me the sweetest one? The best one that you think is the best one? That one? Okay. He's feeling the coconuts to see which one is the best. Because he's a pro at the coconut, so. Oh, you picked that one, okay. You picked a pretty big one. Yeah, that one looks pretty good. So this is 50 pesos for the coconut water. See, they're doing all construction. So this is going to be where the train station is. And there's going to be lots of people here getting off the train from Manila and stuff. And which is kind of, in my opinion, I would want everything to stay kind of the way it was, because I like nostalgia, you know. But yeah, this is gonna be the train station and stuff. See, they have the walkway. It's actually a very nice view during the sunset. I don't know if you could see it, but in the background there's the mountain. I believe that's Mount Arayat. So it's like actually a very nice view from over here. And basically, if you go down straight and then cross MacArthur, that's actually Mountain View. So it's basically like a fitting name, you know. If you're on that side and you of MacArthur, like Mountain View or like Diamond or something, and then you happen to have like a balcony facing the mountain, you get like a pretty nice view over there. So we're about to make a left into the Lakandula barangay, or subdivision, whatever you want to call it. This place is new. This place never been here before. It was like just jeepneys and stuff like that. These food stalls over here. Before it was like they used to sell like used clothing over here, and there used to be like a tent, and they used to sell like street food. But now they built it up into these little stores over here. That's a driving school and a ice cream shop or something. This is 2nd Street over here. So this is the street that I used to walk a lot. So I used to go down this street and then cross Astro Park to get to the walking street. And we're coming up to 3rd Street right now. It's almost like you're in the province over here. And then you make a right. And down that street, that's where Dr. A is. And it's a dead-end street. So this is 3rd Street right here. Here's a apartment over here for rent. I actually looked at this place before, so if you want to check that out, it's on 3rd Street. I just inquired about this apartment building over here. It's mango shake place, I guess, built into it. So this place is 8.5, semi-furnished with no Wi-Fi. But the only bad thing about it is that it's right next to the MacArthur Highway, so it's pretty loud, and it has no Wi-Fi. But it looks like it has balconies on it. I don't think it's private balconies though. Doesn't look like private balconies. It might be. I'm not sure if it's private balconies. Back there where I just showed the apartment by the mango place, that was 9th Street. Over here, this is a side street off the 9th Street. And right now we're going towards the direction of the walking street. And it's a lot more quiet over here. So they actually have an apartment on this street as well, I believe. This street is basically full of apartments. If I could see a landmark. So we're on the street of the dental clinic, Cynthia M. something. And I think there's a guy who owns all these apartment buildings on this street. So here's an apartment building over here. So right next to this, Phil Health. And this place over here is $10K per month, but it doesn't have Wi-Fi. I'll put a link to my video where I did a review on this building. So I walked inside. Yeah, but this place is $10K, no Wi-Fi, they have balconies. And it's pretty much furnished. They have a fridge in there, everything. And right there is MacArthur Highway, so it's a short walk to the walking street. This is 7th Street right over here. You have a Karen area. Something's going on over there. No, it looks like there was some kind of event going on. There's a lot of people on that street. And you walk through this little side alley right over here. And there's a gate. And this gate closes at 9 o'clock over here. So you would have to go around through MacArthur, little alleyway. And this little alleyway over here, where this little side street goes to the Dr. A Street, 3rd Street. So we're about to be on 3rd Street right now. Yeah, so basically lots of little apartments around here for cheap, and you're not far from the walking street. And it's more like the province over here, you know. It's like I'm filming and people don't even care that I'm filming or anything like that. Walking street, you know, and stuff like that. They were like, oh, stop filming, stop filming. So people are more friendly over here towards vlogging. Oh, so back on 3rd Street.